Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily Forex analysis on the important Forex currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, British Pound USD and Australian Dollar USD. Okay, so this analysis is for 1st March 2021, Monday only. Okay, tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis, but this analysis is for today only. So let's jump into the screen. Okay. So right now we can see that market is trading at 0.7728. So this is the current trading price, and we all know it very well that there was a huge selling pressure during the last trading session. Okay. Market fell from this high of 0.79980 to this level. Okay, so what should be the strategy for today? You can see that I have marked two levels on the screen, 0.7774 on the upside and 0.7696 on the downside. Okay, though market has bounced from here, okay, but we cannot deny or we cannot ignore these candles. Okay, so market this may be a consolidation and market is resting a little and market may go down further. Okay, so we cannot trade right now. This is the no trading zone for the day. Okay, this is the no trading zone for the market. You can initiate a buy position only above this level. Okay, only above 0.7774. Buy only above this level. Okay, if if the price is being supported by volume, otherwise I'll say that there are plenty of prayers available. Okay, avoid or USD 40 day. In case in case in case market breaches this level of 0.7696 level, and market, you see that okay, sellers have joined the party again, they have come and they have started selling again, then you can short the market below this level. Okay, but this is your no trading zone for the day. Buy above this only if the price is being supported by volume. And if you see that this resistance, okay, right now this level has become a small resistance. Okay, if you see that market has crossed the level, market is trading beautifully above the level. Market has crossed, market is trading above this level, this resistance has become the support, then only it is ideal or wise to buy at this point. Otherwise you should not buy. Let the market at least trade for 1 hour above this level. Let the resistance become the support, otherwise it is not a good decision to buy. And on the other hand, let the market cross this level, let the sellers join the party, okay, so that you can rock and roll again. Anyways, so these are the two levels for the day. Let me switch to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, you see the 4 hours time frame is also telling us the same story. Okay, this is the crucial level for a buy and this is the crucial level for a sell. Okay, hopefully you will have understood my logic and point, because these candles cannot be ignored. Okay, so if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, please like my video and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, because I bring videos 5 days a week, uh, daily market analysis. Okay, so I'll see you again tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis, and good luck. And if you wish to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis. You can also check out my YouTube channel's playlist for other currency pairs analysis. Thank you so much. Bye bye.